Welcome to Mom and Money Legacy, a mother's journey to financial freedom. I am Nitya Rangarajan, and in today's episode, we are tackling one of the biggest challenges mothers face. And what is that? It's growing our careers while being present for our families. As I shared previously, my journey included startups, corporates, career breaks, and even work from home opportunities. Today, I'll reveal the strategies that help me navigate these transitions and eventually reach a six-figure salary. If you are currently working or considering a break or wanting to restart your career, this episode is for you. Now, let's see how to embrace career flexibility. When my son was two, I made the difficult decision to step away from my career temporarily. Many women fear career breaks will derail their financial progress, but they don't have to. When I returned to work, I leveraged my experience in new ways. Here is what worked for me. First, I treated my career break as professional development. I used that time to complete my MBA in finance, an investment that later multiplied my earning potential. Secondly, I stayed connected professionally, even during breaks. I maintained relationships with colleagues and kept my skills current through small projects or certifications. Finally, I embraced unconventional path. After my break, I found a 1 hour per day remote position that paid in dollars for me, and it was not traditional, but it kept me in the game while maintaining family balance. What do you do after embracing career flexibility? The second one is to leverage your unique strengths. As mothers, we develop incredible skills that translate powerfully in the workplace. We just need to recognize and articulate them. Time management, conflict resolution, negotiation, and crisis management are all daily parenting skills, isn't it, that have professional value? I discovered my experience in startups gave me versatility that corporates valued, and every role taught me something new that I could apply elsewhere. Even when departments closed or companies shut down, I pivoted those experiences into growth opportunities. Now ask yourself, what unique perspective do you bring as a mother? What skills have you mastered that others might struggle with? Your answers become your professional superpower. Now let's move to the third step, financial growth strategies. They are very important. My salary growth from a few thousand rupees to six figures did not happen overnight. It required intentional strategies. First, I invested in skills with high market value. My finance MBA was strategic. It opened doors that might have remained closed. Secondly, I negotiated offers. Many women avoid negotiation, isn't it? But it is essential. When I was offered a raise during company layoffs, it was not luck. It was because I had consistently demonstrated my value. Thirdly, I set clear financial goals for each career phase. Before taking any position, I evaluated how it would contribute to our family's long-term financial plan, not just the immediate salary. As we wrap up today's episode, I hope you are feeling empowered about your career journey. Remember, there is no single right path, only the path that aligns with your family's needs and your financial goals. If you are navigating career transitions or wanting to maximize your earning potential while being present for your family, my Millionaire Mom program might be exactly what you need. Together, we'll create a personalized strategy that honors both your professional ambitions and your role as a mother. Next week, we'll explore how to have healthy money conversations with your children and partner. Until then, remember that your career is not separate from motherhood. They are integrated parts of your powerful legacy.